Welcome back, and many thanks for staying with us. Yes, this is the last discussion on the program today. We're looking at an institute in Ogun State. That's the Gateway Industrial and Petrogas Institute, GP. Well, we've wood a topic around this, and that's harnessing potentials of petrogas industry in Nigeria. And to talk about this and also to tell us more about that institute, perhaps you don't even know that that exists in Ogun State. Then we have the acting director of the Institute, Gateway Industrial and Petrogas Institute, GP. And yes, welcome to the program, Mr. Jacob OLADIPUPO, ALEBIOSU.
Yeah, good morning. Thank you.
Yes, good morning once again, and welcome to the program. I'm looking at Gateway Industrial and Petroleum Gas Institute, and yes, we have had you on the program before, but then quite a number of people still might not have the information that we do have this particular institution here in Ogun State. Maybe because of the location, we don't know. But then give us an overview of what the institution tend to do. We know you are involved in the petroleum industry, but then from your own perspective, give us a brief rundown.
Yeah, thank you. Gateway Industrial and Petrogas Institute was primarily established to cater for the gap needs in the petroleum industry. But the state government has really expanded it to cover all other industries. So any technical requirements and skills required by our youths is what we do there. Really, the main job that we do is for skill acquisition of our youths. And we purposely came online today also to key into this International Day of Drug Abuse, such that youths on the street, our mantra right now is take the youths off the street. And the families that are having problems with youth, let them come and acquire skill. And the element is on.
Well, I could recall that you were here, a few months ago.
Sure.
And you did tell us about this institute, enrollment, and all that. So, what has changed now?
Nothing much, other than the government, the governor, President MFR, has further pushed us and challenged us that we should complement the efforts of the Minister of Education and the PA Professor Ademu publicity on vocational education, technical and vocational education in Ogun State, because he wants the youth to be part of his government. And he said we should not stay back, we should come out and still tell more about the facilities available in the school and how they can acquire skills and become self-employed on their own.
Okay, looking at it, you do have quite a number of departments and discipline, rather, that's the phrase I rather use, in the institution. You have things covering even plumbing and fitting and building construction and quite a number. But can you give us an overview? When is registration starting? When can people get their forms? Can they get it online? Do they have to come in person? And also the criteria needed for students that would want to come to the institution.
Yeah, thank you very much. We run 4 different programs in the school. The National Innovative Diploma, which is equivalent to the conventional national diploma. And we have courses like welding and fabrication technology. We have networking and system security, computer hardware engineering for national. And to run such a program is same thing as the requirements of JAM for any other tertiary institution in Nigeria. You must have scored at least 100 in your UTME and 5 credits in as per JAM standard. Then we have the second stage, which we call professional diplomas. This is tailored for the matured-minded or any, just like you, if you want to become a welder right now, or a plumbing and gas installation fitter and what have you, any of such trades or vocations that you want to acquire, we are open to you. And that one requires your passion primarily and minimum education. And wherever you are, we've had lawyers who have come there to acquire, because he's traveling abroad, he wants to have a skill, and he came there to acquire these skills. So we have these courses in instrumentation and automation. We have in plumbing and pipe fitting, welding, fabrication, computer hardware, fitting and machining technology, mechanical engineering, maintenance, electrical installation, maintenance, building construction, welding appreciation, electrical electronics, lifting equipment technology, gas technology, and underwater diving. We have it there. And of course, the third one is the short-time courses. This is focused on training and retraining of existing professionals. And we have short courses which ranges between 2 days to about 2 weeks in TIG and MIG for welders, high-level welding, flux core arc welding, survival swimming, basic aid, first aid, industrial first aid, and occupational health, HSC, and what have you. For the professional diploma, the duration is between 6 and 12 months. And you can get us, the admission process is on, it's on right now. You can get us on www.gipi-ng.com. And our email is info@gipi-ng.com. And you can also get us on these telephone numbers. Let me quickly read them out, please. 080-3498-3997, 080-3486-7856, and the last one, 080-3676-0079. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. ALEBIOSU, what certificate does your institute award?
Yes, we award National Innovative Diploma, which is a conventional one by the government. We equally award Professional Diploma, which is accredited and monitored and regulated by professional bodies of different trades that we are involved in, like Nigerian Institute of Welders, what have you. All the professional bodies, we collaborate with them and to get, so our professional diploma is as good as C and G, and it's recognized all over the world. And National Innovative Diploma, which is also recognized all over the world. These are the major. For other short-term courses, certificates for competence in what we do.
Okay. So do you have affiliations with maybe other or bigger citadels of learning, maybe home or abroad?
Right now, what we have done, according to, from the inception, is that we have this collaboration with International Institute of Welders and all other international bodies focusing on that professional diploma course, which is the main issue for people to easily acquire. So we have this collaboration with the global bodies. We have a robust one with Nigerian shipping industry, maritime industry, maritime agencies, and what have you. We are on with all these bodies, and from time to time they regulate us and get things done properly.
Okay, I just want to speak briefly about looking at tuition payments and all of that. Do you have payment plan? Do you have scholarship? For students, are they or there are form of scholarship maybe after graduation, or what are the sort of perks attached to?
Let me seize this opportunity to promote, to inform listeners the good thing the state government is doing. To train a welder, an industrial welder, in the south and south-south, you need 700,000 minimum. But here, the government is subsidizing it greatly. And incidentally, why we are here to even talk more about this, that 60-70% of our graduates are from south-south-southeast. So the government is pained that in spite of the heavy subsidy, we are not taking the advantage of it. So it's highly subsidized, and even the management has introduced flexible payment regimes for whatever you have. So it's really affordable. And we have hostel accommodation, serene environment. We are located at the waterside. The town is called Oni at waterside, local government of Ogun State, of course. And just come, visit us on the website. Like I said, you have it on. And let me seize the opportunity to appreciate His Excellency. As I speak with you right now, we are commissioning our brand new 500 kVA transformer. We've been having this problem. We cried on to his governor, to the governor, His Excellency. He graciously released one. We are commissioning it later today. It was hooked on. They said they are soaking it and they are going to power it. Just a few months ago, a brand new 150 kVA generator to enhance our teaching and lecturing processes. So we say thank you very much, sir, and we make good use of it.
Okay, so so generally, this institution do have enough equipment and facilities to do help the students achieve their dreams.
I can boast of 70 welding machines. All our trainings, it's not group training. You are on your own in your boots. The electrical guys, the mechanical guys, it's hands-on, and the focus of our training is to make you self-employed and becoming even potential employers. So we are not training you to start looking for jobs, no. But we want you to become self-employed and even employed in your own small industry.
But what about for those that may want to, delve into the oil and gas industry, basically, that want to join the oil and gas industry, maybe as a worker, vis-a-vis the skills they've acquired, from your institute? Are they also trained?
This primarily we were established for oil and gas industry, but like I said, we've diversified to all other areas of manufacturing industry, wood construction, road construction, and what have you. That is the main thing.
Okay, what are your thoughts? And quickly, let's take this break. We'll be back shortly.
Thank you.
Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute, situated at Oni, Ogun Waterside Local Government Area of Ogun State. Graduates of Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute are hot cake in the industry because they have learned the required skills and technical know-how in all aspects of industrial technology. Our certificates are highly recognized, both home and abroad. Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute is located on a very large expanse of land in a serene environment with national diploma courses, short-term courses, and accredited professional programs, and so many more. These courses are in high demand in the labor market. Requirements for National Innovation Diploma, 5 credits, and a minimum of 100 JAM score. Enroll now at Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute. For further information, you can call 003-676-0079, 003-498-3997, or rather visit our website www.gipr-ng.com.
Welcome back. We've been talking about harnessing potentials of petrol gas industry in Nigeria, and the center of discussion has been the Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute, GP, at Oni, in the Ogun Waterside local government area of Ogun State. And the acting director, acting rector, I beg your pardon, Ladi ALEBIOSU, has been on the program telling us a whole lot about that institute, their modus operandi, and all that. Yes, before we went on that break, you were telling us about some of the disciplines, and I asked you, but what about those that want to work in the oil and gas industry?
Those who want to work in oil and gas industry, there are many areas, divisions in the departments in oil and gas, including informatics, mass communication, insurance, and what have you, shipping, and what have you. All these are available. So that's why I made it a broad view of what is happening there. It's just a prototype of all the general in all other aspects of the industry. So like I said, the electrical, the installation, the mechanical, the welding, the plumbing, the electrical, and the gas installation, underwater diving, all these are available. So for those who want to work there, this is the opportunity for you to come and acquire skill. For those families having problems with their youth, who have time on them and they don't know what to do, please bring them in to come and acquire. And for professionals who are jobless right now, this is an alternative for you. So come and acquire another skill for you to become self-employed.
Okay, when is the next semester starting for people that want to, come in?
The JAM admission is still on. Most universities are yet to finish their own. Polytechnics also come just after. On JAM, all you need to do to join us is just go on JAM, change your choice of institution to Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute, and if you have scored your 100, the admission process for National Innovative Diploma 2 years is on. For Professional Diploma, we are starting the new module, the next module next week. The lectures fully starts next week, really. But we'll still open up to fill up the little space that we still have for admission for the next 2 weeks. So take advantage of that. And we have collaborations with multinationals where we take our training into their system there. We go there, study their skill gaps, and model whatever training required for them. And we don't want to mention some of the, we go there, they have their policy that after 3 years we retrain their technical staff and we license them for them to be able to, so these are the opportunities that they have, but mainly the youths. Our mantra is now take the youth off the street. So we are appealing to philanthropists, we are appealing to people who want to, instead of doing 68th, 88th birthday bash and spending money, sponsor some of these youths in your area to come and acquire skills and take advantage of the state government's idea on skill acquisition to make the youth more useful and productive for.
And how pragmatic are the teaching methods in the institute?
Like I told you, it's one-on-one. I have 70 to 80 welding machines. I have electrical equipment such that when you come, most of our graduates hit the ground running. That's our pride. In the Dangote refinery and so many other industries like that, when they attend interview, it's no longer what you say. They give you equipment, demonstrate, and you hit the ground running because you've done it over and over. And that's why this generator and the power supply system has been enhanced by the excellency. And that's our pride, that you acquire this skill, you know what to do with it, and you hit the ground running. And you even become self-employed. You don't need to carry your certificates up and down. So we are appealing, please come over and join the winning team. Thank you.
Okay, talking about teaching also, right now you said that, it's a lot more personal. You are able to, get hands-on experience. But also, do your students, do you have the opportunity to go for, industrial training, in organizations while they are in school, maybe for a week or two and all of that to, sort of have, the industry experience before graduation?
Yeah, in the first place, the lecturers are industry veterans. We don't just employ based on what you have. You must have worked in industry for minimum of 5, 7, 10 years, depending on the course. This man you are seeing here had worked in multinational companies for over 30 years before coming on board to get this done, because I was headhunted to come and, since we know what is required in the industry, to come and fill in the gap here. So apart from that, while you are with us, we also make sure that you go on this industrial attachment. We have this arrangement with almost of these our multinationals that we run their programs in-house. They go in there for IT to go and demonstrate and go and see the broader sphere of what we are teaching them. So that opportunity is there for them.
Okay, Mr. ALEBIOSU, I wanted to read out the phone numbers once again and the websites of the institute.
Our website is www.gipi-ng.com. Our email is info@gipi-ng.com. The telephone numbers are 080-3498-3997. The second one, 080-3486-7856, while the last one, 080-3676-0079. Thank you.
Well, for those that just joined us, can you tell us again the admission requirements, especially the subjects combination?
GIPI is mainly established for skill acquisition, and the programs we run are the National Innovative Diploma, which you follow the JAM procedure for that. Right now the program is on. Change your school to GIPI and you get admitted in the next 2 weeks. We have professional diploma in various courses such that plumbing and pipe fitting, automation, instrumentation and automation, computer hardware, mechanical equipment maintenance, electrical installation maintenance, building construction, welding appreciation, lifting equipment, gas installation, underwater diving. Whereas we under the NID is welding and fabrication technology, networking and system security, computer hardware engineering.
So all of these courses are available. So if anybody do want to get involved, they can contact those numbers
at very cheap rates, subsidized by the state government or the state government. And let me give you this as parting shot. Federal government established Petroleum Training Institute, PTI Warri, Ogun State decided to domesticate its own, and we are the version of that one here. Every such skill that is required for any of these industries, emerging industry in Nigeria, you get it at GIPI. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, many thanks for coming. The acting rector, Gateway Industrial and Petrogas Institute, Mr. Jacob OLADIPUPO, ALEBIOSU.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate you. God bless you.
So that's the program this morning. Many thanks for allowing us to be a part of your morning. We won't leave now, but we'll be back next week. Yes, well, you can't hide next week, Friday. But of course, before then, you know, and a set of anchors on Mondays and Wednesdays. But in between, we'll have the Yoruba version of this program tagged Otunjo on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Bye for now.
Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute, situated at Oni, Ogun Waterside Local Government Area of Ogun State. Graduates of Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute are hot cake in the industry because they have learned the required skills and technical know-how in all aspects of industrial technology. Our certificates are highly recognized, both home and abroad. Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute is located on a very large expanse of land in a serene environment with national diploma courses, short-term courses, and accredited professional programs, and so many more. These courses are in high demand in the labor market. Requirements for National Innovation Diploma, 5 credits, and a minimum of 100 JAM score. Enroll now at Gateway Industrial and Petrol Gas Institute. For further information, you can call 003-676-0079, 003-498-3997, or rather visit our website www.gipr-ng.com.
If you find yourself in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria, your home is right on your fingertips. Yes, Continental